So I would like to submit that LDL is actually a good molecule because these are the functions that the LDL does. Number one, it is a host defense mechanism. To neutralize bacteria and viruses, you need the LDL. So it's something that is fighting infections. Number two, it dampens inflammation. When the body is inflamed, the LDL has several antioxidants through which it can dampen inflammation. Number three, it supplies the cholesterol to our ovaries and to our testes to make estrogens and testosterone. It's an extremely important hormone for us to have to maintain our strength, our muscle strength. It also supplies CoQ10 to our muscles. So many people don't realize that CoQ10 is carried in the LDL. Many people also don't realize that CoQ10 comes from cholesterol. So the same pathway that's making cholesterol also makes CoQ10. And CoQ10 is needed by our muscles for them to function well. So like, for example, I always give the metaphor. If an engine does not have a spark plug, it cannot burn fuel. Similarly, if muscles don't have CoQ10, they cannot burn fuel. The next question you should ask yourself is that why does the LDL go up? And the reason the LDL goes up is that a low carb lifestyle is generally a little higher in animal protein and animal food. So I give the example of a vegan. You take a vegan is not eating any cholesterol whatsoever because there is no cholesterol in plant food. And when the vegan doesn't eat cholesterol, the body, the liver, is forced to make cholesterol. So the liver makes about 3,000 milligrams of cholesterol every day in a vegan. It's a very energy expensive task for the liver. The liver does not want to do that work. On the other hand, a person eating animal food is eating cholesterol. The cholesterol gets absorbed and the liver says, hey, I'm happy, I can go on a vacation. As you increase the intake of cholesterol, like let's say you take a carnivore, somebody who's eating no vegetable food, and that carnivore is focusing on eating red meat, on eating eggs with egg yolk. He's eating a lot of cholesterol, so the liver stops making cholesterol. Since the liver stops making cholesterol, it doesn't need to pick up the cholesterol from the bloodstream. And since it's not picking up the cholesterol from the bloodstream, the LDL levels are going to go up. It's a very simple experiment that was done by researchers. They took liver cells and they put them in nutrient media in which they would thrive. And if you looked at nutrient media that did not have any cholesterol in it, the liver cells started making cholesterol. If on the other hand, you had the same liver cells in a nutrient media that had high cholesterol, the liver cells stopped making cholesterol.